welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from the Unice Wigs. Alright guys, so I am back with another one from Unice Wigs, and I'm super excited to get into this unit. Now, we are here again with another headband wig, but before I get into any of that, my name is Infor. I'm so glad you guys are joining me again. If you're new to our support group, bust down, subscribe. We are just a gang of human beings in love with hair, okay? And if you one of my homegirls, we've been hanging, hey girl, hey, I'm so glad you're back. And let's get into something new. Now, we've been here for the headband wig trend, okay? I genuinely had a moment where headband wigs were like a thing. Look at the stunning color on this one. This is a Unice headband wig, okay? They so graciously provided us with. She has one comb in the front, two combs on the side, and one comb in the back with adjustable straps. Okay? We're kind of forever. And obviously the Velcro band for the wig. Now, this unit, the color on this hair is so stunning. And she's very silky to the touch. I really enjoy the way she feels. And she's not tangling at all, which is also something we can very much appreciate. Okay? So, Unice comes with, obviously, a cute little setup. As well as some headbands. And let's go on ahead and get into her. Alright guys, let's get on into this Unice Hair Ombre Dark Root Honey Blonde Wig, honey. Now this unit is currently going for under $200. I have her in 22 inches. And she is a density of 150%. So mother is still thick, okay? Like she giving full head, full cat wig, okay? Now this unit is really, really stunning. The cap construction is very big head friendly and I can appreciate that. But I did have to make sure that she was super secure. Okay, now I didn't experience any tingling with this unit or any shedding. I don't know what's going on with these hair companies, but I'm starting to feel like these winter units are better. I don't know if the humans is taking better care of their hair all the time, so the hair is coming out and it's bad. I don't know what it is, okay? But it's fire, all right? And we are here for it. Now, I know we've done quite a few headband wigs, but what's very clear is that this trend is not going anywhere. So we're going to make sure we on the train still, okay? But we're going to bring you some brand new looks, and Unice Hair has done that with this honey blonde option. I really am feeling this. Now, bust down. Tell me what you guys are thinking about this. I cannot get enough. The color is stunning. I can't. Like, this is absolutely positively a look. And I want you guys to let me know what you guys are thinking, or how do you feel about this headband trend? I know we've been going back and forth about this for a long time, but I want to know, I want to take your temperature, see how you're feeling, baby. And let's get on into these styles. This is not, I'm obsessed, okay? I like the hair color. The texture of this hair is stunning, okay? Like, and I know I say that often, but this is super silky, like super silky. She did not tangle at all. And I really do enjoy that. She's super lightweight. The cap is made very well. Like, I feel very secure in this because of the straps in the back, as well as the Velcro band. I love, love, love how secure this feels. Now, I want to say this. I've done quite a few headband wigs. And I've also done quite a few wigs by Unice Hair. This is my favorite. And this is my favorite because it just feels really, really, really good. And I think that's it for me. Okay, that's all I needed to do. I love the color bust up on her. I'm feeling like Mary J. Blige, circa don't want to be with you, want to be with you, want to be with you. What's the name of that song, y'all? I gave you that much. This is a Shazam episode. Bust down. What's the name of that song? I want to know because I can't remember. But I'm feeling like I'm that, like when she had the white towel on her head and she was just like, not the white, but like the white scarf, and she was like going there. Right. Like, you know what I mean? I can't remember the name of the song. It's like right here too. But I am feeling this. I can't fake the funk. I'm feeling her. Okay, and I really don't know what else to tell you guys except for check out Unice Hair. This is one of the better headband wigs that I've tried, especially because of the texture of the hair. And I don't know if they're doing something different with the texture of the hair with the headband wigs or whatever the case may be, but this is faux show. Faux show. Faux show. 100% human hair. And I really do love the way that she feels. I'm feeling the ombre look. Like, I really can't get enough of this. I can't. I think I'm a home. Look. Y'all can't tell the kid nothing. Can't tell the kid nothing. All I'm going to say is check this out. Like, check her out. I can't. Take a look at what Unice has to offer. I'm going to leave all the details for this unit below, as well as some other ones. And let me know what you guys are thinking about the color of her. Am I serving up? Let me serve you up. Let me serve you up. Bust down, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you beautiful mugs later. Bye.